let's just jump right into this look. I love to use concealer to even out my skin tone shades and to also give my skin a great base before I put the eyeshadow on. So I will be using the Magic palette by Juvias Place. This makeup company is Black owned, and might I say, they have the most pigmented eyeshadows ever. So here I'm just packing on my first transition shade before I go into the eyeshadow colors. The second shade is like a deeper orange, so think about leaves that fell off the tree. So I'm gonna do half cut creases. I'm still getting better with my cut creases, so please do not execute me, guys. As you can see, I have so much lid space. Thank you, God. This eye ended up getting just a tad messed up, but I got something for that. My face when the look is coming together. So this green is absolutely poppin'. And here's a reminder, I'm just using colors that basically represent different leaf colors of leaves that fall off the tree during fall. Color. Using your fingers helps make the color pop. So let me show you this color. So if you haven't seen my eyeliner tutorial, that will be available in the description box below. While doing my makeup, my eyes kind of teared up, but I'm dramatic, so I'm finishing up this eye look, and then we're gonna get into part 2 of this video where I give you my first impressions of the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. Today, I will be previewing the new Colourpop No Filter Foundation stick. I received this stick maybe a couple weeks ago, so this will be my first time opening it and using it. I wanted to just give people the opportunity to see different skin tones to help them find their own match and to just let you know if I liked it or not. So I have this here. It's really cute. It's like silver and white. It is in a big stick like this, and it's white. When I open it, it's like this. And this is the color 175W. So I just want to show you how much is in here. When I roll it up, that's quite a lot of product. And believe it or not, this will be my first time using a foundation stick. So this foundation stick was only $10, and it comes with 0.34 ounces inside the stick. I think that that's actually not bad for a $10 foundation stick, so I already am giving it a thumbs up for how much product is in the container. So on the Colourpop website, there's also the liquid foundation, which I love, and it's a perfect match for me. On the website, they allow you to match yourself by other brands that you may have had, like the common brands like Fenty or something like that. And they also separate the foundations by skin tones and undertone. But I know it gets really hard to pick a foundation online that. So on the website, it says that this foundation stick conceals, corrects, and perfects your skin, giving you a flawless complexion finish. It says that it is medium to buildable coverage, so after you put one layer, if you still see stuff that you don't want to see, you can build it up and put another layer. It blurs your pores. It's supposed to cover up like little blemishes you have on your face, and it blends really good. It says that it finishes skin-like, so I'll be seeing if it does finish skin-like for me and if I like it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand, and I'm gonna swatch it on my cheek, and then I'm just gonna apply it the rest all over my face. So here we go. So here's my hand. It has a mini swatch from my eyeshadow because I was just trying to show the little pigment going on. But I'm just gonna swatch on my hand. It seems a bit dark already, so I'm just hoping that it blends out, and if not, then it's just not my color. I'm also gonna swatch it on my cheek. So as you can see, it looks a bit darker. Alright, I'm just gonna keep going and just do it everywhere. So far for my first impression, I don't know if I actually like it right now. So what I'm gonna do is go on with another layer and hope for the best. So my first impressions of this foundation, I don't love it. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. It doesn't feel like medium coverage. It feels like light coverage, which could be used for a day when I really don't need a bunch of coverage on my face. So I don't know how I feel about that. When I blended it out, it did sit down to my color. If I had to choose between the foundation stick or the liquid foundation from Colourpop, I would choose the liquid foundation. I just like it better, it applies better, it lasts longer, the coverage is better. Everything is better. If I'm traveling somewhere, I'll take the stick because I already bought it, but I do not know if it's the best thing for me. It might work for you, but I'm not gonna lie, it does feel like skin, like a skin finish. I think it's just the coverage for me. The way it goes on is just something about it that I don't really love. What I'm going to do is the rest of my face, and that is basically the end of the video. Please drop a like below, leave your comments. Have you used this foundation stick yet? Do you plan on buying it? Do you have the liquid foundation? Let me know your thoughts about everything. But yeah, that foundation, I don't know.